Maybe I should scam someone. There's a lot of people to scam. Ha 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 ha. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to find some people to scam up here. There's probably a lot. Let's go. Maybe over here. Right over there. That seems like a good place. People put hide from me. Hee. I need to turn into a noob. Oof. Hee. I'm going in. Hee. Do you have anything for free? I got scammed the other day and no one would help me because they think I'm a scammer. Sure. Okay. Accept and prize. No, I don't have anything. I'm so poor now. You scammer. You're so mean. Ha ha ha. I'm so much richer than you. You thought you were the coolest. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I was a scammer. You thought I was not a scammer. Wah ha 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 ha. Well, off I go. Off I go. Ha 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 ha. Bye. Ha ha. No, wait, come back. Give me back my items. Wait, come on. Give me back my items, please. Nope, I'm a scammer. Ha. By the way, this is not real. They actually didn't scam each other. This is just a fake myth, and this was inspired by Pinky. So yeah.